guys, welcome back to my channel. Sasika, namaste everyone. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. So again, I bring another recipe today. Is the pasta salad. And also like to request the people, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot because it's not easy to make videos, guys. It takes long time recording, first editing. It takes nearly for me 3 days. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's nearly 1 year now, but my channel is not very viral yet. So please help me to subscribe. So I will bring more exciting videos. So guys, today I'm making pasta salad. So I'm taking colorful pasta. You can see very colorful. You can take any kind of pasta. I'm taking 250 grams. So guys, also I like to tell, if you are on the diet or you are carb counting, so carbohydrates in 250 gram, 80 gram carbohydrates, natural sugar 2.5 gram, protein I have got 12 gram, and fiber is 5.5 gram. So guys, I'm telling you same time how much carbohydrates and protein and fiber, everything. So I'm cooking this pasta salad is about 3 people. Then I'm using light mayonnaise, about 4 tablespoons for dressing. Salad dressing I'm using the 4 tablespoons. Salt I have got 1.5 teaspoon. Crushed pepper half teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. This is the British cucumber. You can use any kind of cucumber. So I'm taking half. Red onion 1. And I'm taking, you can see all colorful bell peppers. Everything is half. I cut it and clean inside. Lime 1. 3 sticks of the spring onion. Half handful of basil. First I'm going to boil the pasta. So gas on. I've got hot water already, so I'm going to add the hot water first. Then I'm going to add little bit oil to make sure not stick each other. And add the salt, half teaspoon. Then mix all together and let it boil till the pasta soft. I'm going to cut all vegetables and salad. Clean first. Cut the very thin slice first. Then make very small piece. You can cut any shape and size. Same, I'm going to cut the onion the same size. So guys, more you eat vegetables, more your skin looks healthy and glowing. So guys, you can see it's soft now. So I'm going to drain the water first and wash with the cold water. So guys, you can see I washed with the cold water. So make sure no overcooked. I'm going to cut like that. And take out the middle soft bit because this is when we put the salt is quite watery. So I'm not going to put this one. So guys, I prepared already all veg and salad. It's like that. Now I'm going to prepare for dressing. First I'm going to put the olive oil. You can escape the oil. Then pepper. Salt, about 4 tablespoons of dressing cream, so this is all low calories, about 4 tablespoons of the light mayonnaise, and lime, 1 lime I'm going to use. Then mix all together. So mix properly. So guys, you can put the green chilies or chili flake. When you mix it, then put it on one side. Then time to mix all together. Pasta, peppers and onion, cucumber, basil and spring onion. Then add the dressing. Then mix all together. So guys, you can eat immediately. You can put in the fridge. You can eat the cold or you can eat like that. If you like to make more creamy, you can add more. So guys, it's ready to eat. I'm going to serve now. Then I have got some lettuce. I'm going to put lettuce like that first. So guys, this is our pasta salad ready to eat. So guys, you must try this recipe. Very easy to make. Within 10 minutes this is ready and very healthy to eat. So hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring more exciting videos. So once again, thank you very much for watching my video. Hopefully see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.